Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to blur the video background in CapCut. As you can see in the video, if you want to blur your video background like this video, of course, you can do that very easy methods in CapCut. So let's start it. Go to open your CapCut. Create new project and insert your video that you want to blur the background. Then go to change the video size by click on ratio. Then select any size you want for your social media. And I select 16:9 because I make this video for upload to YouTube. Click on the video and at the right side menu, make sure you stand on video function and basic. Then scroll down a little bit and you will see canvas function. Then click on none and you will see 3 options for your video background. For example, if you select color, then you can change your video background any color that you like. And if you select blur, then you have 4 levels blur opacity for your video background. And if you select style, then you will see a lot of background styles, and you can add any of them to your video as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then make sure you click on the like button, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.